So, how are you?
Ma'am, I'm good.
You're good? Okay, great. So, today we are starting with fractions. Do you know what fractions are?
Yes, ma'am.
What are fractions?
Ma'am, fraction is a like a number which is in this n numerator by denominator form.
Okay, very good. Which is in numerator and denominator form. And do you know what different type of fractions we have?
Um, Ma'am, proper, improper, mixed, like, unlike.
Okay, and what is a proper fraction?
A proper fraction is a fraction in which, like, the numerator is smaller than the denominator.
Numerator is smaller than the denominator.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay, and what is an improper fraction?
Ma'am, when the numerator is larger than the denominator.
Yes. And what is a mixed fraction?
Ma'am, when you have a whole number like 1 or like 5, 1 by 4, so the 5 is the whole number and 1 by 4 is the fraction.
Okay, can we convert 5 1 by 4 into a proper fraction or improper fraction?
Yes, ma'am.
How can we do that?
Ma'am, first multiply 5 by 5 into 4, which will be 20, and add 20 with 1, which will be
Add
21,
20.
and keep the denominator as itself, and the numerator will be 21.
Very good. 21 by 4. So this is a proper fraction or improper fraction?
Improper.
Why it's a improper?
Ma'am, because when we convert mixed, we'll always get an improper.
Okay.
The numerator is larger than the denominator.
If numerator is larger than denominator, wasn't that the proper fraction?
No, that's improper.
Okay. Very good. So let's try a few of the questions. Okay, do you know how to solve fractions? How do we add fractions?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you add this for me?
Okay.
Are you? प्लेटें बन गई?
Ma'am, the answer is 122 over 55.
Very good. 122 over 55. That's perfect. Okay, let's try one more. Now, if I ask you to multiply this, okay? Let's say I have this fraction. Okay. Multiply this and reduce it to the simplest form. Do you know what simplest form is?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do that.
Ma'am, the answer is 5.
Can you tell me how the answer is 5?
Um, yeah, ma'am. No, ma'am, it's 6.
Yeah, it's 6. We'll get 54 divided by 9.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Let's do one question like this. A tank is filled 2 by filled with 2 by 3 liters of water, if 1 by 6 liter is used, how much water is left? Okay, try this one and tell me the answer. And when you are done with it, let me know what steps you have taken, okay?
Hmm. Ma'am, 1 by 2. Ma'am, 1 by 2.
Okay, tell me what you did.
Ma'am, so first ma'am, I took 2 by 3 and subtracted 1 by 6 from it.
Okay. So then you
Ma'am,
took the
then,
LCM.
yes, ma'am. My convert 2 by 3 will be 4 by 6. Then 4 by 6 minus 1 by 6 will be 3 by 6, which is 1 by 2.
Which is 1 by 2 liters. Very good. Okay. Okay, let's try this one. This is a little trickier one. So, 7 by 10 divided by x is equals to 14 by 5. We have to find x. What we'll do in this?
Ma'am, we'll take the divide. No, no, no. We'll take 7 by 10 divided by on the other side, and
Okay.
then which will be 14 by 5 into 7 by 10.
45 into 7 by 10 or 45 into 10 by 7?
40, I mean 14 by 5 um, uh, into 7 by 10.
Okay, so tell me the answer.
Ma'am, 98 by 50.
Okay, and can we reduce it to the simple form?
Ma'am, 49 by 25.
Right, very good. Try next one. See, I have written one more question. First, read the question and tell me how will you solve it. What will be the approach?
Okay. In a class of 40 students, there are 5 boys, find the number of girls. Okay. Uh, Ma'am, we will subtract our 2 by 5 from 40.
No, why we will subtract 2 by 5 from 40? let's look at it like this. Let's say you have a pizza which has 8 slices, okay? And I said you have eaten half of it. So what is the half of 8?
4.
4. So first you find out that half, that what is half.
Yeah.
Yeah, so here it says in a class there are 40 students and 2 by 5 are boys. 2 by 5 of what are boys? 40.
Okay. Huh.
So you can find what is the strength of boys in this class. 2 by 5th of 40 will be the strength of boys in the class.
Hmm.
Find out 2 by 5 of 40 and then tell me what's the strength of boys.
Ma'am, 16 students are boys.
16 are boys, so how many will be girls?
Ma'am, 24 will be girls.
24 will be girls. Very good. Okay, let's try one more. Okay, this is the little different style. So if A is equals to 2 by 5 and B is equals to 3 by 5, okay? You have to find A plus B multiplied by A minus B. Make it a step. Okay, now calculate.
Okay.
Find A plus B, find A minus B, and then multiply both of the answers. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, 7 by 40. No, I mean 7 by 100.
7 by 100.
Yeah.
Okay. So when you found A plus B, what is A plus B?
7 by 10.
No, it's not 7 by 10. Okay, right. Fine. Yeah. I'm sorry. It's 7 by 10. Okay. Let's try one more. A rope is 2 by 6 meters long, 5 by 6 meters long. If we use 1 by 4 meters, how much rope is left?
Ma'am, 7 by 12 meters of rope.
7 by 12 meters of rope is left?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Okay, let's say if 3 by 4th cup of milk of oil is required for one recipe? How much oil is required for 12 such recipes? If we need 3 by 4th cup of oil for one recipe, so how much oil we need for 12 such recipes?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 9 cup of oil.
Cup of oil, very good. And what about if I ask that you have 25 cups of oil and we need 3 by 4th cup of oil for one recipe? So how many you have? Okay, let's do it like this. I'll just reframe the words. You have 25 cups of oil. You have used 2 by 5 cups. How much oil is left?
Okay,
How much
ma'am.
oil is left?
Ma'am, 148 by 5.
148 by 5?
Yes, ma'am.
No. You subtracted it?
Yeah.
So you subtract 25 from 2 by 5? You subtract
Huh?
this? So when you took the LCM, 5 is the LCM.
Huh?
Then you multiply 5 with 125, 25. 5 times 25 you'll do. See, at this fraction will become this, no?
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
when you do 5 times 25, it's 125. 125 minus 2 is 123.
Oh, yeah.
Okay?
No, I multiplied it with 6 mistakenly.
Okay. Okay. Let's do one more question. You walk 2 by 5 kilometers to school and 1 by 5 kilometers to school to library. Then you walk back the same distance. Find the total distance you covered. Think for a minute, solve this and tell me the answer.
Ma'am, 6 by 5 kilometers means 1 kilometer and 1 by 5 kilometer. 1 by 5 kilometer.
Yes.
All
Very
things
good.
were.
So you right. So you added 2 by 5 and 1 by 5 and then you multiplied with 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, very good. So fine. Okay. Arav, let's keep it till here for today. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. I hope I'll see you again. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye bye.